Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want your favorite memories from Google Photos to automatically appear on your Aura frame, the setup process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people upload photos manually without realizing the Aura frame can connect directly to albums, while other times they simply want family pictures syncing automatically without extra effort. Since connecting Google Photos to an Aura frame helps keep fresh memories showing up regularly, learning where to tap in the app can make everything much smoother. The best part is that once the connection is complete, your Aura frame can start displaying selected photos almost automatically. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to connect Google Photos to an Aura frame. Try these. Step 1. Open the app connected to the Aura frame before changing photo settings. Step 2. Go to Photo Sources inside the Aura frame app and look for Google Photos. Step 3. Select Google Photos in the Aura frame app and begin account connection. Step 4. Sign into the Google Photos account linked with the Aura frame carefully. Step 5. Choose albums from Google Photos that you want the Aura frame to display. Step 6. Check the Aura frame and confirm photos from Google Photos begin appearing normally.